Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome aboard, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Stay tuned because I'm going to give you guys an amazing review, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Today I'm reviewing Outre Color Bomb. This is so cute. This is in the style Kimani, and it is a lace front unit. So this is under the Color Blonde collection, and this color comes in 1B, and a bunch of blondes. This color is the DRFF Sandstone Blonde color, and it does come in different shades of blonde. Go. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little hesitant at first. You guys know that I'm iffy about colors, but I wanted to, try something different. My last couple reviews have been on black units, brown units, 1Bs and 2s. So I wanted to give you guys something a little bit different. And I'm feeling Miss Kimani. I'm a survivor, I'm not gonna give up. That's what I feel like. I feel like this should be Army Fatigue, and I feel like I should be in the video talking about girl power. But here are some of the other colors, and they're all beautiful. So I'm happy with this Sandstone Blonde. This is nice. So I had got this unit from Wig Types, and it is an extra $4 for the specialty colors, just so you guys know. And it has 2 combs on the front, 1 comb back, adjustable straps back there as well. This unit was giving me some trouble. I don't know if it's big head friendly. It's big head doable. That's what it is, because for me, I'm a medium-sized cap head, and I just feel like the cap size is very tight on me. I had to constantly play around with it and pull it tight. These are my edges. I did not feel like doing theirs. And I'm feeling this lace. I did not want to put in the extra work, you guys. I just didn't feel like putting in the extra work. So yeah, I didn't feel like it. But I am feeling it. It's so pretty. But yeah, that's definitely a con, I would say, is the cap. It's either Outre's caps aren't long enough, or Bobbi Boss is there's too much cap. And one thing that got me excited about this unit was that it's a left part. I'm a lefty, so everything over here, but us lefties, we could do it on the left and the right. That's the good part about us. Those righties, I don't think so. But I love me some left parts, so yes, I'm feeling this. So I haven't experienced any tangling with this unit. This is my first time taking it out the box, my first time putting it on and wearing it. So I haven't experienced any tangling as of yet, but there's very minimal shedding. There was nothing there, nothing there. I have 1 or 2 strands. I've had 1 or 2 strands that have come out, but I haven't experienced any shedding yet. So I'm feeling it. I am 5'7", so it stops here. So I want to say it's about 20 to 22 inches long. And I'm going to give you guys a 360, but let me just make sure the back of my head looks right. Because lately, like I've been saying, for some reason, the back of my head been looking crazy. And I haven't been able to see it until after the fact when I'm editing. So let me give you guys... like this. This is so cute. And I'm ready to go out. I'm tired of being in quarantine. Dang. I'm lonely, I'm bored. I ain't got shit to do. So with the longer hair units, the big question is, do they last? They last longer than the curly hair ones. So if you're not wearing this unit every single day, I think you'll be good. You know, you want to wear it once we're done with quarantine. You want to wear it out with your girls, with your man. Or if you want to wear it for your significant other in the house, go ahead, girl. It's doable. I think it would last a little bit longer than usual, but again, it's longer. You know, tangling is meant to happen with these long hair units. Eventually they will tangle up, but what can you say? It's synthetic hair. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Before we leave, my husband and I are selling cooling towels on Amazon. A cooling towel is a towel that keeps you warm during a hot, sweaty workout. So all of those in quarantine out there, if you are working out in your backyard, in the house, or even going for a walk, you wet the towel, you wring it, and then you shake it out, and it keeps you cool during a hot, sweaty workout. So make sure you guys check us out. You get 2 for the price of 1. And we sell them on Amazon for about $19. So check us out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And let me know your thoughts below. I'm feeling this color. I'm feeling this unit. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you next time.